Welcome to Learn News. Subscribe to my channel for exciting tutorials.
Hey there, hello all, welcome once again to Learn News. I am Shaburni. I have come back with another exciting tutorial for you. But this one is going to be a very short one, and it's regarding a problem that I faced few days back while at my workplace. That Kafka is facing a strange issue like too many open files exception. Well, generally that type of error comes when a particular process is opening too many files and which is beyond the limit of the number of open files for the entire system. That type of exception generally is thrown. So let us quickly come on to the server where we have hosted the Kafka. As you can see over here, systemctl status Kafka. If I press it over here, you will see that our process is running. But our strange thing that was happening is the process was opening files due to the huge number of topics we were using, and also the transactions that were happening. The message flow that was happening was too large at a time, and in order to tackle that we need to open more files. So currently you will see that I haven't left any other ways not to increase the file. I have tried every other ways, but I was still facing the issue. Let me show you first what changes I did. Like in the systemctl here config, I did is fs file max. I increased this to 65536. Okay, and other than that, what I did is the limits, I also change it. The open the hard limit and the soft limit, I also changed that. If you come at the bottom, that for all users, for nproc and no file, I have increased the limit to 65535. But still, let me show you. Sorry, systemctl status Kafka. But still, this Kafka main PID, if I make this proc followed by this, then followed by limits, if I make it, the maximum open file count for this process is still this. Then I wondered that there should be some sort of different technique that is being followed for systemd files. That means the processes or the services which you are the processes or the applications which are using as a Linux service. The maximum number of open files can be increased, and that can be done with a wonderful technique. I was surfing the internet and I came across with this wonderful website of Stack Exchange, this article that how can I increase the open limits for all processes. People were inquiring like ulimit and every changes I did. Let me show you the ulimit as well. Ulimit -a. Here the maximum number of open files count is 65535. I even changed that. And ulimit of sn, number of open files for soft limit, and also for the hard limit I have kept it as same 65535. But still we were facing the issue of this one. The maximum open file count is 1024. Currently I am unable to show you that our Kafka is failing because there are no topics and we are not doing any load testing on Kafka. But this is highly, while in production or even in dev or QA, whenever there would be a traffic, there would be a heavy testing, our application, our Kafka is highly prone to failure with too many open files exception. So in order to increase this one, we have found what they have formulated is using of this technique. It's a very simple technique. Like here we just need to do is limit no file. We need to add this. These are special features for systemd, and for systemd there are many others. You can search it over the net. That if you're trying to increase the maximum number of open files for a service like a MariaDB, but for our case it's Kafka, you have to do it directly in the .service file. and in the service name dot service file you need to add limit no file, and I will add it over there. So the thing is vi etc slash systemd followed by system and here you will find different services. So our target is the Kafka service. So I will make the change over here somewhere, and the change will be, I will copy it from here, limit no file 49152. Let us reduce it to somewhere around 8192. Okay, since the total file open count is around 65,000. So I will come over here and simply edit the file with limit no file as 8192. Do it as per your configurations as you want. When you will try to run Kafka, it will simply ask you to daemon reload, and after that what you need to do is, first of all, stop the current Kafka, systemctl start Kafka and systemctl status Kafka. Yes, and once we check this process, this is the main process, cat proc process ID followed by its limits, you will find that the maximum open file now it has increased to 8192, and you have safeguarded your Kafka service at a much higher extent with increasing the maximum open files. So this is a very short it's not a tutorial, rather a hack that I have shown you in this video. Hope you are liking Learn News. Subscribe to my channel for further more hacking tutorials, the simple techniques, and also the Spring Boot tutorials. In order to see that, you can check out my playlist. Okay, and hope you are liking Learn News. Thank you. Thanks all. Please visit again to my channel. Thank you.